In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a dropshipping business by identifying products on TEMU with high profit potential. We'll guide you through setting up an online store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy, and then teach you how to seamlessly integrate TEMU's products into your listings. Lastly, we'll cover the efficient process of ordering these products and having them shipped directly to your customers. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to establish and manage your own dropshipping business efficiently. To begin, let's dive into the world of TEMU, a marketplace filled with diverse products. The trick here is identifying items with high profit potential. Start by researching market trends, popular categories, and customer reviews to find products that not only have a demand but also offer room for a significant markup. It might be helpful to use tools like Google Trends or browse social media platforms for insight on what's coming into fashion. Pay keen attention to products that consistently receive high ratings and positive feedback, as these are indicators of quality and consumer interest. Once you've zeroed in on your potential bestsellers, it's time to move to the next phase, creating your online store. Platforms like Shopify or Etsy are perfect for beginners due to their intuitive interfaces and extensive resources. Spend a little time learning the nuances of your chosen platform. Shopify is great if you're looking for a standalone website with greater customization options, while Etsy is ideal for tapping into an existing audience interested in unique and hand-picked items. Begin by setting up an attractive storefront that communicates your brand's identity, from your logo to your color scheme. Ensure that your brand story is compelling and resonates with your potential customers, as this will set you apart from competitors. Now add those high-potential products you identified on TEMU to your store. This involves crafting persuasive product descriptions and using high-quality images that show each product in its best light. Be transparent about shipping times and costs to manage customer expectations. Remember, a well-detailed product listing can significantly improve your sales by helping potential customers make informed decisions. An additional tip is to consider offering a few bundled deals or discounts to incentivize larger purchases. When a customer places an order on your store, purchase the corresponding product from TEMU and have it shipped directly to the customer's address. This strategy, known as dropshipping, allows you to keep your inventory costs low while still offering a wide range of products. It's vital to ensure that your shipping and handling processes with TEMU are streamlined and efficient to maintain customer satisfaction and a positive reputation for your store. In conclusion, starting a dropshipping business with products from TEMU is a viable business model if approached thoughtfully. By selecting the right products, setting up an appealing online store, and effectively managing orders and shipping, you're well on your way to running a successful enterprise. Happy selling!